The Prime Minister Narendra Modi commissioned the first indigenous aircraft carrier INS Vikrant today. During the event, he also unveiled the new naval ensign Nishant, doing away with the colonial past and befitting the rich Indian maritime heritage. Speaking on this occasion, he said that every Indian is witnessing the sunrise of a new future. This event is held as a tribute to the rising spirits of India on the world horizon. He said, "We are seeing a manifestation of dreams of the freedom fighters where they envisioned a capable and strong India."
विक्रांत विशाल है, विराट है, विहंगम है। विक्रांत विशिष्ट है, विक्रांत विशेष भी है। विक्रांत केवल एक युद्धपोत नहीं है, ये 21वीं सदी के भारत के परिश्रम, प्रतिभा, प्रभाव और प्रतिबद्धता का प्रमाण है।
Prime Minister